So I want to talk about this here. This is the GoPro Hero 8 and this is the GoPro Hero 9, and we're unlocking both of them. And then I want to look at those settings here. The resolution. Well, first, the screen locks is annoying. I want to look at the resolutions here. We see how great the 9 acts. Resolutions. Okay, let's start with the smaller resolutions at 1080. 1080. This is going to be a comparison here. So what is available at 1080? You can see from 2460 to 240 there is no difference. All this is there. 1080 60. Then we go to the 2.7K on both and see what's available. There is the 120 available, the 60, the 30 and 24 is not available on the 9, but it's available on the 8. So there is 2 missing on the 9, 2 less resolutions there. We go to 4K, regular 4K. We do have here the 60, the 30 and 24 in 4K. Nice. So we have a 1440, 423. We have that here too. And what do we have there? We have the 120, 60, 30, 24. That's the same. So we have the 2.7K 423 there. Again, missing here. The 30 and 24 is missing compared to the 8. Then we have 4K 423 here. 4K 423. We only have the 30 and 24 available here. The same here. And then we have the 4K down here, the regular 4K there. So there we have the 60, 30, 24, that is the same. And then of course we have the 5K here that has only 30 and 24 available on the 9. That's not available on the 8. So that is my quick comparison. So it looks like on the 27K here, there's the 30 and 24 missing, and also on the 27K 423 is the 30 and 24 frames per second missing on the 9.